Just one egg and one potato, and it only 5 minutes you will have a snack so delicious. To make these delicious potato snacks, I have taken a bowl here. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, a pinch of red chili flakes, and a pinch of black pepper. Mix everything well. And guys, quickly tell me in the comments where you are watching my video from. Don't forget to share. Now take one potato, cut it into small cubes and boil it about 50% only. Add these potato cubes into the flour mixture and coat them nicely. Next, take one egg, beat it well and pour it over the potatoes. Mix again until all the pieces are coated. And that's it, our potatoes are ready to fry. Heat oil medium flame, drop the potatoes one by one with the help of a spoon. Once you add them, turn the flame to low heat. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes only low flame, flipping them gently until they turn golden brown. Looks at these crispy, golden and perfectly fried. Now remove them into a plate. Delicious egg potato snacks are ready. You can enjoy them with evening tea, at lunch or anytime you like. Kids and adults will both love this recipe. Sprinkle a little fresh coriander, chopped green onions and some chaat masala on top of these snacks to enhance the taste. So guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click the bell icon to get notifications for my latest videos. Allah Hafiz and see you in the next video.